Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to buy some ERC20 with the lowest fees possible. Currently, it's at 17 cents, and it's one of the hot coins for the day. But keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. But you should definitely like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. The cool thing when you subscribe is actually upload over 20 of these videos every single day. And that's over 1,000 subscribers right now that come and join the channel. And the reason is I upload the hottest cryptocurrencies, the most searched cryptocurrencies for the day. So if you want to hop on them, first subscribe with bell notifications on. So to actually buy some ERC20, first you need a wallet. Personally, I use the MetaMask wallet. So go to metamask.io, click on download now, and add it as a Google Chrome extension. Then as you can see here, it's trading against BNB. So we will need to buy BNB. And to buy BNB with the lowest fees, I choose Binance. You can buy it from the link in the description down below. First link, Binance. Go there, sign up, click on BNB, buy it, transfer to MetaMask. That's the first step. Then you want to go to poolcoin.app, just like so. Click on enter token and type in ERC20. Open this up. Click on V2. Click on open tab, which will redirect you to Pancakeswap with the option to import the contract. Import ERC20, connect your MetaMask, and now you can swap your BNB for ERC20. If the video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.